Welcome to Cleverdo, where I teach entrepreneurial skills and mindset tools and financial literacy education for families. Let me just walk you through my channel here to show you what you can find on Cleverdo, and then I'll also head over to our website and show you what cool gifts I have to help you raise a money smart family. Okay, so on the main page here, you'll see the latest upload on the top of the page, plus all of the uploads over here. So every week at 10 a.m. on Tuesdays Eastern Standard Time, I post a new video to help empower you and your family to create passive income with an online business and just to help improve your healthy wealth mindset. So in the upload, you'll see the most recent videos. And then when you scroll down here, you're going to first see a section that is specifically for financial literacy education and entrepreneurship skills for families. So you're going to learn everything that is needed to raise a money smart family and to help you build your own online business. As you scroll down the page, you're going to find different areas to help you for the different specific needs that you're looking for. So in this section here, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know of how to make money online and some YouTube strategy tips as well for your own YouTube success if you're looking to use YouTube as a free resource to drive targeted traffic to your own business. What I specifically like to help families with is to help you find your passion and turn it into recurring passive income. That's the most exciting part, when you can literally bake your cake and eat it too. I also have a cake decorating channel. I'll tell you more about that in a moment, but I use that as my example to show you how it's actually possible to create an income and a lifestyle doing something you love to do, and that we want to really be good role models to our children to raise money smart kids who are financially able to take care of themselves. So in here, you'll see that I've got some videos on how to start an online business, how to start a YouTube channel, where to get free leads, which programs are the best, but I'll talk more about that in a moment. Also, I talk about my experience during the pandemic and how I still made money during a pandemic, even though I didn't even leave my house. All right. And then down here, I've got a special section for you on goal setting, but more specifically on achieving your goals, because it's all fine and dandy to set goals, but you need to know how to set goals so that you can achieve them. There's a SMART goal system that I teach you, and you can find all of those videos in this section here and all of the tools that I use to help achieve my own goals as well, plus some free resources. Then when you scroll down, I also share all of the law of attraction tools that I use and that my family uses to help us stay on track to keeping a healthy, wealthy mindset and to achieving our goals using the law of attraction and manifesting, journaling. So I go through all of the tools that we use to stay on track, and I do demonstrations and I share any free resources that I can find. I really want to just empower your family. I'm so excited you're here with me. So definitely take a look at these videos here, because we actually manifested the house of our dreams, our dream home. And I walk you through exactly what we did. It was absolutely incredible. It was insane. During a pandemic with social distancing, when we couldn't go anywhere and there was nothing on the market, we had to move, and I wrote out a list of everything we were looking for, and we manifested like almost 100% of everything on that list. So definitely check that out, and I share all the tools and everything with you. All right, and then down here, I do some reviews and demos and free trials, again, to help you really make the most of your own online business and making sure that you are doing the best you can possibly do to raise those money smart kids who are not going to have to come crawling back to you when their finances turn upside down on them. All right, so this is about empowering our kids and ourselves to be able to take on life no matter what is thrown at us. So you're going to find new reviews and demonstrations and free trials in this section here. So go ahead and take a look at those. I also share the books that have helped us the most as far as financial literacy, entrepreneurship, mindset books. Then down here, I've got a ton of interviews that I've done over the years with some of my favorite teachers and mentors, coaches to also help empower you. So I've got here from Money Mammals, here from Camp Millionaire, and Mike Filsaime, he's one of my favorite mentors, and Natalie Ledwell for Mind Movies. Mike Filsaime, he was a co-founder of Kartra, now he's a founder of Groove Pages and Groove Funnels. Anyways, these are the platforms that I use to run my online businesses, and I have some free trials and some free platforms that I share with you so that you can get started as well. So that's really exciting. And then down here, I've also got some case studies and some testimonials for you, what other people are saying about the courses, the programs, just the teachings that I've been sharing and how they've helped them and their families and whether or not they would recommend it and so on. Oh, this is a fun one where I actually share how my daughter earns passive income from rainbows. It's really cool. And you can go ahead and take a look at all of those there. Then, and this is my passion, this is why I am sharing this with you. A couple of years back, I ended up in a coma, and I was in a medicated coma for over 3 weeks, and I share my whole story in here with you, the coma nightmares, everything. I was suffering from pneumonia that progressed into acute respiratory distress syndrome, which most people don't survive. So I am incredibly blessed to still be here. And what happened was during this time, I was actually still earning passive income. And it shocked me that while I was completely incapacitated, I was earning passive income. And that was such a major break point for me that I realized I really need to share this with the world, because life can turn you upside down. As you can see during the pandemic, life can turn everything upside down in a heartbeat. But when you have the financial foundation in place, you can still survive financially, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. And that's why I want to share all this with you. And then at the bottom here, you can see, you can take a look at my fun cake decorating ideas, Clever Dough Cakes channel, where I show cake decorators, fun, yummy recipes and fun cake decorating ideas. And this is the platform I use to share with you to show you how exactly to make passive income doing something you already love to do or have a natural talent for. This is my daughter's channel, Xanthi Vander Gulik, and my son, who apparently has decided to call himself No for now. So feel free to take a look, browse through here. You can see the videos are here, playlists are here, the channels. I have a discussion here that I update you on what's going on, so make sure you check that out every once in a while. If you need to reach me, you can go to the About page here, and make sure to click subscribe if you're interested in raising a money smart family and increasing your own passive income, because every week I'm going to share new tips and tools and lessons that are going to help you do just that. And when you hit subscribe, make sure you click this notification bell and choose all. Otherwise, YouTube's not going to let you know when my next video comes out. So to make sure you don't miss it, make sure that you have clicked the bell and chosen all. All right, now let's head over to my website, because I have a couple of free gifts for you that I really am excited to share with you. So the website is cleverdoughkids.com. If you go to cleverdough.com, then you'll have the choice to go to Clever Dough Kids and to Clever Dough Cakes and my other channels. So on cleverdoughkids.com, you can see here at the top, I've got free gifts. So go ahead and click on that, and you can see the different gifts. So there's the How Money Smart Is My Child quiz. There's an allowance secrets, whether or not to actually give your child an allowance. 50 money-making ideas for kids and teens, goal settings for family workbook, the 6 Magical Piggy Banks cartoon, and 2 pre-made mind movies, which are like digital moving vision boards for your kids and your teens. And in this video here, I will go through each individual tool and share with you what you're getting inside. And all you need to do to access them is just let me know where you want me to send you the details, because you're actually going to get access to a free level of my membership, and you could be able to download everything in there. And I have some extra goodies in there for you as well. So I hope you really enjoy that. So welcome again. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in raising a money smart family, in increasing your own skills as an entrepreneur and building an online business, because I am so excited to help you with that. If you enjoyed this video, then please do give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't enjoy it, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. It tells the YouTube algorithm whether or not you enjoyed my videos and find it helpful. And that way I can help more families. Thank you so much. I would love to know, what is your first goal that you would like to achieve when it comes to raising a money smart family? Or what online business would you like to start, or have you already currently started? I want to get to know you better. Leave me a comment below so that I can get to know you better. All right, enjoy your free gift and then head on over to this video next, where I'll walk you through all of the 7 gifts that you're actually getting today. Enjoy.